1. Huma, in Sambalpur district is for which of the following? A. Majestic waterfall. B. Hot spring. C. Reservoir. D. Leaning temple. Answer is D. Leaning temple. 2. Consider the following personalities of Odisha. I. Justice Ranganath Mishra. 2. Justice Ananga Kumar Patnaik. 3. Justice Deba Priya Mohapatra. IV. Justice Gopal Ballabh Patnaik. Who among the above personalities have been the Chief Justice of India? A. INEB, INIV. B. 2 and IVD, INE. 3. Tides are caused by gravitational pull of India. A. Earth on the moon. B. Earth on the sun. C. Sun and moon on the earth. D. Moon on the earth. Answer is sun and moon on the earth. 4. Dayananda Saravati founded. A. Brahmo Samaj. B. Arya Samaj. C. Prathana Samaj. D. Bahujan Samaj. Answer is Arya Samaj. 5. Who among the following died in exile? A. Rani Lakshmibai. B. Bahadur Shah Zafar. C. Tatya Tope. D. Nana Sahib. Answer is Bahadur Shah. 6. Which tales are related with the painting and sculptures of Ajanta cave? A. Panchatantra tales. B. Pentameron tales. C. Jatak tales. D. Hitopadesha tales. Answer is B. Jatak. 7. Name of the place located at the confluence of Alaknanda and Mandakini rivers. A. Badrinath. B. Rishikesh. C. Rudraprayag. D. Devprayag. Answer is D. Rudraprayag. 8. Match list I with list E and choose the correct answer from the codes given below the lists. List I, list E. Dance from A. Bharatnatyam 1, Tamil Nadu. B. Kathak 2, Kerala. C. Kuchipudi 3, Andhra Pradesh. D. Mohiniyattam 4, Uttar Pradesh. Codes A, B, C, D. A. (9) Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Revolution related to A. Golden horticulture. B. White milk. C. Blue poultry. D. Green agriculture. 10. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? State's main language. A. Goa Konkani. B. Meghalaya Khasi. C. Nagaland Angami. D. Sikkim Tibetan. 11. The state having shortest coastline in India is A. Goa. B. Kerala. B. Orissa. D. West Bengal. Answer is A. Goa. 12. Who is Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India? A. General of Army. B. Defense Minister. C. President. D. Vice President. Answer is B. President. 13. Which one of the following jurisdiction of the Indian judiciary covers public interest litigation? Pill. A. Appellate jurisdiction. B. Original jurisdiction. C. Advisory jurisdiction. D. Epistolary jurisdiction. Answer is D. Epistolary. 14. Who is the present Director General of World Health Organization? A. Lee Yong-wook. B. Gro Harlem Brundtland. C. Tedros Adhanom. D. Anders Nordstrom. Answer is Tedros Adhanom Nordstrom. 15. Which of the following taxes is levied by the Union and collected and appropriated by the states? A. Stamp duties. B. Passenger and goods taxes. C. Estate duties. D. Taxes of newspaper. Answer is stamp duties. 16. Which of the following financial institution is the source of the credit for small industries? A. IDBI. B. SIDBI. C. IFCI. D. NABARD. Answer is SIDBI. 17. The Indian Railway has launched an app to help passenger. What is the name of the app? A. Rail Sahai. B. Rail Seva. C. Rail Saral. D. Rail Madad. Answer is Rail Madad. 18. The world famous Navakalevar of the deities in Lord Jagannath Temple of Puri. A. 2 consecutive Odia month of Kartika. B. 2 consecutive Odia month of Bhadraba. C. 2 consecutive Odia month of Aswina. D. 2 consecutive Odia month of Ashadha. Answer is 2 consecutive Odia month of Kartika. 19. Who is the first non-Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? A. Mother Teresa. B. Nelson Mandela. C. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. D. Amartya Sen. Answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 20. Which country was the champion of Men's FIH Hockey Junior World Cup 2021? A. France. B. Germany. C. Argentina. D. India. Answer is Argentina.